Vicky Vidya Wala video starrer Rajkumar Rao and Tripti Dimri got released today, and we Movified are here to give you a detailed review of the film. To know all the details, stay tuned and watch this video till the end. The film is a unique premise on paper that aimed to be comedy of errors but falls flat in execution. Talking about the plot, set in the time period of late 90s, Vicky and Vidya, a newly married couple, mutually decide to record their intimate moments on camera, but a few days later, they find themselves in great dilemma when they find out that the CD is stolen, eventually leading up to a circumstantial comedy of errors. Chemistry of the new pair in B-Town, Rajkumar Rao and Tripti Dimri. The biggest positive of the film has to be the chemistry between these two and their absolutely on-point comic timing. Be it the pitch-perfect portrayal of 90s couple from middle-class households or nailing the high-pitched style of comedy with sheer conviction, they put forth the best foot in each second of the film. The supporting cast and the first half. A few things that the film does absolutely well is give time to set the tone of the film in the first half. The film feels funny, witty and well structured at its first half. Also, the acting performances by the supporting cast consisting of Malaika Sherawat, Tikur Sania and especially Vijay Raj are the real backbone of the movie, carrying the film for the most part. The second half. After setting the tone right in its first half, the screenplay goes on to a lethargic journey of unnecessary comedy gags and songs that were just extremely out of place and don't fit in the context of the story at all. It's unbelievable to see how the makers just butchered the screenplay, especially in the climax that is just a moral lecture with high-pitched and social commentary that has no impact at all. Well, it's obvious that a genre like comedy of errors does not demand logic as such, but Vicky Vidya Wala video is just too illogical to ignore at times. Right from the start of the film, the way Tripti and Rajkumar's character marry or the way Malika Sherawat and Vijay Raj's character end up in the climax of the graveyard scene, etc. are just too far-fetched, unbelievable and most importantly too cringe to ignore at any means. Therefore, the final verdict is Vicky Vidya Wala video had a lot of potential, especially due to unique premise that makers had on paper, but barring the performances of the actors and a decent first half, the film does not offer anything substantial enough to hold your attention on the big screens. So with this, we Movified would like to give this film 2.5 stars. Have you watched the film? If yes, then what are your views? Do let us know in the comment section below, and for more such latest updates, do follow our page.